Craft irresistible thumbnails. Thumbnail University by Film Booth is your ticket to creating thumbnails that command attention and catapult your views. Master the art of clean, colorful, and cinematic thumbnails with expert guidance. Join the community of passionate YouTubers and watch your channel flourish. Get an instant 97% discount for the Thumbnail University course at iDesignCourse.com. The course link is available in the description and comments section. Create YouTube thumbnails that explode your views. The online feedback community and course transforming YouTubers' image quality and clicks. Thumbnails are the single most important part of YouTube's success. It doesn't matter how amazing your video is, if people don't click your video, you're not gonna grow, and that's why to me, they're the #1 thing to crack on YouTube. But it gets even crazier. With so many competitors flocking to YouTube and mega creators dropping a cool $20,000 on a single image, how on earth are you supposed to keep up? Well, you need a dynamic duo. Killer skills to create ultra-clickable images. Feedback from others so you know what's hot and what's not. But here's the thing, there hasn't been a one-stop shop to learn all the ins and outs of effective thumbnail design, or a community of fellow YouTubers who really get what makes a thumbnail rock to provide feedback, until now. That's why I created Thumbnail University. Rocket! After chatting with hundreds of YouTubers and realizing that they all face the same growth roadblock, yep, you guessed it, thumbnails, I knew I had to build a course and feedback community that tackled this problem head-on. And let me tell you, the results speak for themselves. Check them out below. Take a peek inside the most in-depth thumbnail course ever. Course Stage 1, Master the Basics. The first half of the course is all about teaching you the basics and not-so-basics that are absolutely crucial to master. We'll help you build a strong foundation that'll get you more clicks and make your thumbnails stand out from the rest. Module 1, Strategy. Module 2, Turn Design into Views. Module 3, Photography Basics. Module 4, Lighting. Module 5, Photoshop Basics. Course Stage 2, Go from Good to Great. Get ready because this is where the magic happens. We've curated some of the best thumbnails from big YouTubers and remade them step by step in a series of detailed walkthrough videos. In these videos, we'll spill all the secrets and show you the tricks they use to make their images, and then you'll produce them right alongside us. We'll even guide you on how to set up your lighting and camera to create your own high-quality versions. After that, you'll get a chance to watch some Photoshop walkthroughs that'll teach you how to level up your images and achieve the same quality as the pros. Trust us, this stage is a complete game changer. Recreating top thumbnails is how you'll transform your abilities and take your skills to the next level. Module 6, Master the Art of Clean Thumbnails. Module 7, Master Colorful Image. Module 8, Master Products and Items. Module 9, Master Cinematic Thumbnails. Module 10, Master Epic Thumbnails. Module 11, Time Saving. Who is this course for? Are willing to put a lot of time and effort into growing a channel. Want to learn strategy, photography, design, and Photoshop. Think the quality of their content deserves more traction. Can comfortably afford this offering. Are willing to invest in lighting, production kit, and Photoshop if they do not have it already.
Above is everything we wanted to introduce you to about this course. For more details, you can click on the link below in the comments section. If you're looking for further development in design, I would like to recommend an excellent resource, iDesignCourse.com. iDesignCourse is an online training website specializing in graphic design, UI/UX, and web programming. Here, you can find high-quality courses taught by industry-leading experts. Visit iDesignCourse.com to explore exciting and engaging courses. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any similar videos in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, and see you next time.